welcome to our class. Today, we'll learn how to organize and import footage into Adobe Premiere Pro. Proper organization is key to a smooth and efficient workflow, allowing you to focus on creativity and storytelling.
Yeah, nobody fight it, just get in a the position and boss one. Never you forget this is your mission. They just get in a the position and boss one. Never you forget this is your mission. Fit take a girl, man, you want fit in a condition and boss one.
When your footage is well organized, it's easier to find the clips you need and keep your project tidy. This helps you work faster and stay creative. Step 1. Importing footage. First, let's start by opening the footage bin. Double-click on the footage bin to open it. Next, navigate to the media browser. This is where we can see all our video files. Using the media browser helps you easily find and import your footage into the project. In the media browser, you will see bins labeled Card 1 to Card 7. These are the actual cards that contain the footage from the set. Organizing your footage into these cards at the media browser level keeps everything structured and helps you easily notice if a card is missing. Double-click on Card 1. Select the first and last shots without including the .ale file. Right-click on these shots and choose Import. This action brings the videos into Premiere Pro. Do the same thing for Card 2, Card 3 all the way to Card 7. Make sure to import all necessary footage. Importing footage correctly ensures that all your videos are available and ready to be edited. Pause the video and take 10 minutes to import all your footage from the media browser into Premiere. Next, let's organize our music files. Navigate to the music bin on your hard drive. Drag the music file into the music bin in Premiere Pro. Keeping your music organized makes it easy to find the right track when you need it. If the music file contains explicit content, place it in the explicit subbin to keep things organized. This helps you quickly identify which songs are suitable for different audiences. Step 3. Creating bins for organization. Now, let's create bins to organize our footage. Bins are like folders that help you keep your videos neat and tidy. Right-click in the footage bin and select New Bin. Name the first bin Spice. Drag all footage featuring Spice by herself into this bin. This way, you can easily find all the clips with Spice when you need them. Shaggy for all solo footage of Shaggy. Sean Paul for all solo footage of Sean Paul. All 3 for footage featuring all 3 artists. Now that you have created all your bins, start dragging the footage into the appropriate bins. Drag all solo footage of Shaggy into the Shaggy bin. Drag all solo footage of Sean Paul into the Sean Paul bin. Drag footage featuring all 3 artists into the all 3 bin. If you realize that there is extra footage that doesn't fit into any existing bins, that's okay. Create additional bins as needed. For example, create a bin named Bad Takes for all the bad takes. Deleting footage is never a good idea because you might need it later. Create a bin to hold all the dance scenes. Organizing footage into bins makes it easier to manage large projects. It helps you stay organized and focused, reducing the time spent searching for specific clips. Pause the video and take 10 minutes to create your bins and organize your footage into them. Interactive quiz. What are bins used for in Premiere Pro? Why is it important to organize your footage into bins? Let's make sub-bins inside each main bin for different scenes or outfits. This further organizes your footage, making it easier to find specific shots. Inside the Spice bin, create sub-bins for different locations or costumes. For example, create spice_lights for all the shoots with the fancy nightclub lights, spice_bar for the shots with spice in the bar setting, spice_gold because of the golden background, and spice_blue because, you guessed it, the blue background in the scene. This way, you know exactly where to find each scene. Color code the clips to help you see them easily. For example, make the nightclub light scene Caribbean, bar scenes brown, red scene purple, gold scenes yellow, and blue scenes blue. Color coding provides a visual cue, making it quicker to identify different types of shots. Now, move the color-coded shots into the corresponding subbins. This further categorizes your footage, making it even easier to manage. Repeat this process for the remaining bins, including Shaggy, Sean Paul, and dancers. Creating subbins and color-coding your clips saves time and makes the editing process smoother. It helps you stay organized and focused on your creative work. Pause the video and take 10 minutes to create subbins and apply color codes to your clips. Now let's organize sequences. Sequences are like timelines where you put your videos in order. Create a new bin called Sequences. Inside the Sequences bin, create 3 new sequences. Name them Temp Sequence, Select Sequence, and Sync Sequence. Drag the relevant footage into these sequences. For the Temp sequence, start with the main artist's footage, like Spice, and then add the other artists. If you accidentally duplicate footage in the sequence, enable the duplicate frame indicator to find and remove the extra video. Organizing sequences helps you manage your editing process. It allows you to arrange clips in the order you want them to appear in your final video. Pause the video and take 10 minutes to create your sequences and organize your footage into them. Interactive quiz. What are sequences used for in video editing? How do you identify duplicate footage in a sequence? Finally, let's review what we did. We organized our footage into bins, made sub-bins for different scenes, and organized our sequences. By doing this, you make editing videos in Adobe Premiere Pro easier and more fun. Staying organized helps you focus on being creative and telling your story. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Let's move on to the next lesson.